Hi, my name is Jumana Shah and I'm currently engaged with Sahyo as a volunteer. In fact, I've been engaged with Sahyo for a few years now. Um, I'm a journalist by profession and an FGM survivor. It was very difficult for me to deal with my psychological trauma and a lot of complications that came because of that. I came across Sahyo through their media outreach programs, and as a journalist, I also interacted with a lot of survivors, and that's how I decided to volunteer. What I really like about Sahyo, what has helped me as well, and I know it has helped a lot of people around me as well because of my speaking my stories, that they encourage survivors to talk about their stories, their storytelling program. Also, the Thal Pe Charcha initiative that they have. All of these initiatives, they sort of help survivors realize that they are not alone in this difficult journey of their life and living with the aftermath of what has happened with them. It has been years and years since, of course, I was a child. But even as an adult, it has been years and years since my recovery or my healing has happened. And it has happened only through Sahyo, only because of my volunteering, my talking about my story. And I was really touched to see and surprised that my sharing these stories has helped so many people around me, some known and so many equally unknown people also who reached out to me. So I feel Sahyo is doing a great job, especially because they are raising their head against something which is so intrinsically patriarchal and in many cases even intertwined with religious issue. So it's not at all an easy issue to handle, and it's a fight, it's a battle that's going to take years and years. So I think they need all the help that they can get. There is no question of backing down in any manner, because there are really little girls and their survival in some cases, their life, their basic human rights is what we are talking about here. So the work Sahyo is doing is extremely courageous, especially because it deals with a minority community which is extremely tight-knit. So needless to say, going against the tide is never easy, but in this case it is particularly difficult. So I really think they can do with all the help that they can get. I have been associated with Sahyo for several years now, and I had first come to know about Sahyo when they had reached out to their media outreach program. And I had also been interviewing a lot of FGM survivors, and that's how I realized that the pain FGM survivors live with their entire life, the trauma, it can be reduced or can be worked around only by sharing, by making them feel and realize that they are not alone in this journey that they are having to deal with. It's very deep scar that they live with, and I felt Sahyo was doing a very constructive job in making them realize that they are not alone. I especially like the Thal Pe Charcha program, where I have also participated, and through the storytelling that we've done, I have shared my story, and it's been a very heartwarming process to realize that how my own experience of sharing my stories has helped so many people around me, some known to me and several unknown to me as well, who later on reached out to me that we listened to your story, we heard you, and it has inspired us in many ways. And there could not have been anything more touching for me and more frankly fulfilling. So I feel Sahyo is doing a very courageous and bold work, and they really need all the help that they can get. It's a long battle. It's not something I don't see, it's a paradigm shift of mindset that we are looking at, because and it's not something that's just going to happen anytime soon. It's a very, very difficult job, and Sayo is doing it in a very sustainable, specific way. I love the fact that they are not, sort of aggressive about it. They are level-headed about it. I mean, aggression is needed in the right places, and they have it. But I love the fact that they are level-headed about it. So I think people, they need all the help that they can get, and please support them in the best way you can. Thank you.